Welcome to this week's session with the Putnam County District Library. This week we are looking at how you can craft a better AI prompt. When you are doing anything with AI, the questions, the statements, the information that you are entering as you go through your questioning and you're working with AI, that is referred to as a prompt. What I use as a way to kind of think about this and remember how to work my way through as I'm working on my prompt is I will look at the word rate, meaning the role, the ask, the task, and the examples. So I'm going to go through this today. And if you start off with role, when you are looking at an AI prompt, the role guides the AI prompt. So in other words, you're assigning a role to the task that you want to complete. Who are you? What is the goal? What is your business that you might be a part of? How long have you done that? And then be specific with this. So in other words, if you're an educator, you might say, I'm an educator with 15 years of experience. Or if you wanted to be asking as a business owner, possibly like I am an owner of a coffee shop and this is just a startup business. So that would be where you would start with the role. Then the next prompt is ask. So if you were to be more specific with your questions and your request, what do you want to produce? What is it that you're asking AI to do? What are the steps to follow? So the instruction here, if you think about it as with back to this business owner, analyze our website traffic, create an action plan for additional products that we could maybe add to the menu. So what are the requirements? Be specific. What are the goals? What are you trying to achieve? That is the ask. And then the task, the guidelines, the how, what are your constraints? What's the format? How should the task be completed? So do you want bullet points, paragraphs, spreadsheets? What is the length of the requirement? What is the tone of voice? Is it professional? Is it casual? Is it technical? So again, back to the example of the coffee shop. Provide an analysis in 3 parts. Place the key findings in bullet points. Give me actionable recommendations in the priority order. Those would be how you could ask with the specific task. And then the last is E, for examples. So what good looks like. What exactly is going to be good for you when it comes to this prompt that you're asking and what you want to get back from AI? Comparison. So a sample is something that you might be looking for. So back to the example of the coffee shop, for example, you would maybe say, I want to add products and I am looking and compare it to another business that would be a similar and what they are doing and see what information you get back from the AI. Lastly, just a couple bullet points here to remember. Be specific, use do and don'ts. So, do give me specific products. Don't, be vague about how you want something to happen. Consider the tone. Consider your audience. Who are you trying to get with your specific AI information? Are you looking for adults? Are you looking for students? Are you looking for children? Are you looking for families? And then add details. So any details. And then the best thing that you can do when it comes to anything with an AI prompt is to continue to refine. And one other side note is make sure as you are doing this, we have talked about this in the past, where there's the thumbs up, the thumbs down. So as AI is giving you information, whatever that is that you might be using, if it's uh, GPT chat, if it's Gemini, if it's Perplexity, whatever it might be, make sure you're giving those thumbs up, thumbs down as the information is being given to you. And always, always be cautious and make sure that you are having accurate information as well as looking for anything with bias. Hope everyone has a fantastic week and that you can improve with what you're asking with your AI prompts.